Upgrading to a smart water heater can save energy and allow you to control your water heating schedule remotely. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps of installing a smart water heater in your home. Choose the right smart water heater. Research and select a smart water heater that suits your needs. Consider factors like size, capacity, and smart features compatible with your home automation system. Turn off power and water supply. Before starting, switch off the power supply to your current water heater at the circuit breaker. Shut off the water supply by turning off the valve connected to your water heater. Drain the existing water heater. Attach a hose to the drain valve of your old water heater and place the other end in a suitable drainage area. Open the drain valve and allow the water to flow out completely. Disconnect the old water heater. Disconnect the electrical wiring by removing the cover plate and unscrewing the wires. Use a wrench to disconnect the water pipes attached to the heater. Install the new smart water heater. Position the new smart water heater in place. Reconnect the water pipes using Teflon tape for a secure seal. Connect the electrical wires according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring all connections are tight and secure. Install the smart features. Follow the manufacturer's guide to connect the smart features, such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth modules. Install the accompanying app on your smartphone to control the water heater remotely. Fill and test the water heater. Turn on the water supply and allow the tank to fill. Once filled, turn on the power supply and set the desired temperature using the smart app. Check for leaks and ensure the heater is operating correctly. Configure smart controls. Use the app to set schedules, monitor energy usage, and receive alerts. Test the remote control features to ensure everything is working properly. By installing a smart water heater, you can enjoy the convenience of remote control and energy savings. If you found this tutorial helpful, check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo.